Good evening world, this is Rafi Gutierrez and this is my fifth video. My topic tonight is about the Philippines being, or the Filipinos always looking back and figuring things out in the past. This is specific to a particular topic that I've always been wanting to bring up, but it was only tonight that I had some insight and a deeper understanding of this. I think one of the most highly taken out of context sayings that came from our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, when he said, in Tagalog first, ang taong hindi lumingon sa kanyang pinagdaanan ay hindi makakapunta sa kanyang paroroonan. In English, person who does not look back from where he came from will not be able to reach his destination. Well, I think Dr. Jose Rizal had seriously good intention for saying that. It is one of his one of his most famous quotations. And unfortunately, I think we Filipinos have, like we do with most everything else, totally taken his statement or his saying out of context. We are a people that love to keep digging up our past and justifying things of the past. Specifically, in the context of politics, we try to look for reasons to blame what happened and even dead people to blame for what happened. We have a difficult time looking at the present and really understanding what needs to be done so that we can move forward to the future and create a better future for all the Filipinos. We are stuck. Most of us are stuck trying to figure out what happened in the past. Why can't we, for a change, take an honest and sincere look at the present and create a solid, realistic, well-founded plan that will help bring the Philippines into a first world country status? For crying out loud, it has almost been 30 years since EDSA 86, and there are still so many Filipinos who are blaming President Ferdinand Marcos for what's happened to the country. I can understand if it's only been several years after the dictator has passed away, but it's been 3 decades, guys. And a lot of us, especially among the most ferocious anti-Marcos, is still equating the suffering of the Filipinos today to what the Marcoses allegedly did during the time of martial law and before martial law. Why can't we seem to understand that 30 years is a lot of time? 30 years is enough time to turn any country around. There are countries in the world that have taken lesser time in reaching first world or tiger nation level status. And here we are, Philippines, one of the world's richest countries in natural resources. And yet, also very talented and capable people. And yet we are stuck in the past. We are unable to move forward as a people because we keep blaming what transpired before. Certainly our great hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, his statement was meant for us to learn from history so that we will not keep repeating the same mistakes. His intention for saying those words was never for us to stay in the past and keep blaming certain individuals, certain families. We need to step up our game and come back to the present time. And together, find a way, find solutions that will help our country have a better future. We cannot succeed. There is no way we can move forward if we don't stop looking in the past. I am imploring the Filipino people to please start living in the present. Start looking for solutions that will pertain to creating a solid foundation for the present that can be taken into the future. Tama na po yung pagsisi at pagbintang sa nakaraan. Tama na yung paghalukay. Yung pag-justify, paghanap ng dahilan kung bakit i-justify yung mga nagawa ng kung sino man sa nakaraan. We must stop this game that has paralyzed our consciousness as a people. We need to embrace the present to move forward in the future. This is my call and call to action, and I hope everyone, every Filipino around the world who is listening to this video be part of this consciousness revolution that I am hoping everyone would be part of. Tama na. Masyado na tayong na-stuck sa past. Move on na tayo. Okay? Tama na yung sisihan. Wala nang magagawa yan. Okay? 30 years na. Okay? 30 years na since EDSA 86. Nasan tayo? We are in far worse situation than any other time in history. And it will only take open and awakened eyes to see that. You guys have to open your eyes and see the truth. Maraming salamat po. This is Rafi Gutierrez. I look forward to seeing everyone again in my next video.